Hello everyone, my name is Yatharth and I've made a project about music penart extension. I've done my coding on the platform Scratch and with Mecharon Robotics. So let's get started with my presentation. Here I've coded like that. I've put a condition called repeat until touching edge. If it touches edge, it won't repeat, it will make a new pattern. So first I'll explain the music code. So first I've given the usual when green flag clicked, and now I've also put in 3 sections of when green flag clicked. I haven't put in the code together. It's because when we put a code together, then it's gonna create a confusion. It will be like delaying the code. Sometimes the code won't work. So that's why I've divided into 3 sections and done it. So first is when green flag clicked, then there's a forever block so that it repeats forever. I've set my instrument to piano. You can set your instrument to whatever you like. Then I've put the play note beat code for 8 times so that it will repeat this note 8 times, and I've given random numbers. Then I've put one more when green flag section. This is the bass drum section. It's like the background of the piano. So when piano will play, then the bass drum will play. First it will play for 2 beats 4 times. Then it will play for 7. It will play 7 times for 1 beat. Then I've done one more section of when green flag clicked, and I've put forever in it. Then I've put one more drum called tambourine, which is gonna play for 1.5 beats, and then it's gonna rest. Then everything is gonna rest for 1.8 beats. So this was the music code, and then I'll explain about the pen art. So here in this pen art, I've put a crystal. You can put whatever you like again. Then I've put when green flag clicked and a forever block. In the forever block, the first block which I include is go to x0, y0. Now why have I put 0 and 0? It's because I want the crystal to go to the center. When it goes to the center, then only it will create a shape perfectly. And its direction should also be 90. And then I use the pen extension, which is the first one is erase all. Whenever new project start, it should erase all, then it will start a new thing. So first it will erase all, then the crystal will be down, it will be pen down, and then the size of the crystal will be 3. Now this 3 I have put because I want the shape not to be that big, not to be that small. If you want it to be that big, you can increase it. Then I have also made 2 variables, the angles and steps. Steps is the way is the movement, the number of steps the crystal does, and angles is the way, the degrees it moves. So we can put set steps to 0, and we can put set angles to pick random from 1 to 360. Now then we'll put repeat until it is a condition again. So it will be like if the crystal touches the edge, then it will restart. It will move this much steps and it will turn this much degrees, and then it will change steps by 1. So every time the crystal is moving, it will change its steps by 1. Then I've put change pen color by 5. The color will keep changing by 5. And then in the last I've put wait 1 second so that there is no delay. Then I've put one more section. This is the stopping, I call it the stopping section. If I press my space key, then it will restart everything over. I don't have to press the red flag again and again. So this is like a comfort block. So this was my presentation about the music pen art extension.